morning, Research Medical Center nursing friends. Today, we have moved campuses and we're over at Research Psychiatric Center. And today we're doing our Stroll with Your Nursing Note with Sam. Sam, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Sam Kalmus. I'm a mental health technician here at Research Psychiatric Center.
Awesome. And how long have you been over here, Sam?
About 8 months or so.
Great.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm looking forward to strolling with you. You ready for this today?
I'm ready.
Okay. We're going to start off with some quick, easy questions.
Okay.
So tell me, what is your routine of how you start your day?
In the morning or here at work?
In the morning.
In the morning, I sleep in about 30 minutes before I need to be at work, and then I make some coffee real quick and get going.
Coffee is always the key. All right.
I agree.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would that be?
Ooh, Germany. My twin sister lives in Germany. I love Germany.
That's amazing,
It's very
by
cool.
the way. Twin sister, too.
Yeah.
We got lots of answers in that one.
Yeah.
All right. Season, summer or winter? Or in
Ooh,
between?
Winter.
Winter.
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Because you can always get warmer, but you can't get cooler. Like, you can always put more layers on.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's only so many layers you can take off.
Exactly. Exactly.
Right? Okay. Tell me, who is your inspiration and why?
Ooh, I'm gonna have to go with probably my basic answer, my parents.
There you go.
I think they're amazing.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Tell me, what was your first job?
I worked at a movie theater at Cinetopia back when that was a thing. I don't know if y'all remember
Nice.
Cinetopia.
I don't know Cinetopia, but I worked at Cornucopia. Do you ever remember that at the mall? Yes, I was the ice cream girl. That was my first job. Okay, what's the most daring thing you've ever done?
Ooh, skydiving.
Me too.
I love it. Was it the coolest thing you've ever done?
Yes, that's why I did it twice.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, what was the first concert you ever attended?
Ooh, well, the first one that I wanted to go to was My Chemical Romance and Blink-182, but my dad took me to Kansas and the Doobie Brothers, and
Which, by the way, is not a bad concert.
not a bad concert at all.
Sam,
Still a big fan.
I feel like you're my spirit animal already. All right, beach or mountain?
Mountain.
Okay.
Yep.
Favorite attraction at the zoo?
Ooh, I haven't been to the zoo in so long. Probably like a dolphins at the zoo?
Dolphins are at the zoo
Or
sometimes.
bear or
Depends on the zoo.
Yeah.
The elephants are always my favorite, just because
Gotcha.
they're massive.
Yeah,
okay.
of course.
Tell me what you think the misconception is out there about psychiatric nursing care.
I think the misconception is that it's easily accessible and the resources are available. I think mental health and really hospitals in general are pretty struggling right now,
Yep.
and it's important to give respect and to for people to get the resources that they need.
I think we talk about that so much, is the underserved communities and populations that we have, and certainly mental health throughout is one of those that we have. So,
Absolutely, and that's why I love working here, because we do it right.
that's awesome. Well, Sam, you made it through your stroll.
Awesome.
So I have some coffee over here for you.
Great.
See, that wasn't so hard. You
It wasn't
survived.
hard at all. Thank you.
Thank you for the time. Cheers to you.
Cheers
I
to you as
appreciate
well.
it and look forward to getting to know you more. Okay?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.